What's up guys, my name's Ben Standen and this is the, this is the lockdown haircut guide. My name's Ben Standen and this is the lockdown haircut car guy edition. So, as you can probably tell in the title, I am going to be cutting my own hair. Now, this is the first time I've ever done it. First time I've ever cut any hair. Let's see how it goes. Yeah, I'm going to be using some beard trimmers. So we'll see how that goes. Because I have quite thick hair apparently. Shout out to my usual hairdresser, Emma, at the Rose Sanctuary Salon. I usually sort of burn her clippers out of my hair and they're proper, professional ones. So we'll see how that goes. Right, let's get into it. So yeah, this is my hair at the moment. Quite long. Fucking hell. But yeah, I don't know, where do you start? I guess, I'm probably only really going to cut the sides because I'm not that confident at using scissors. Probably stab my head or something. So, what I was thinking is usually you see like the hairdressers with a spray ball to wet the hair to get it back into where they want it, I think, so it's out of the way. I don't have that, but so what I'm going to use is some Auto Finesse Finale Quick Detailer and see how that goes. So yeah. Well, that smells pretty good, to be fair. I don't know if I actually have a comb, so I've got a wire brush here, so... Oh, here we go. Yeah. So what I'm trying to do at the moment is just try and get my hair out of the way and separate like the top from the sides, I guess, and the back. Ow. Okay, that's quite sharp as well. Ow. Ooh. Yeah. Right, let's look at that. No, that needs some more quick detailer in it. Trying to work out what that smells like. Don't know, the Auto Finesse stuff usually smells pretty good. So, yeah, there we go, that's it, sorted. So I guess I could mask it off to help keep it separate, but I'm pretty sure my masking tape's pretty bad from where I sat in the shed and it's got warm and it's just peeling off in sections and I cannot be dealing with that right now. Let's have a look. Yeah, no, I ain't doing that, that's just tearing. So, I'm just going to go for it, I guess. I don't know how you're supposed to hold clippers. Oh my god. Mate, is that too short? Is that too short? I usually have it at a 0.5, but I don't know what the difference is on a 0.5. Oh my god. Ah, fuck it. We've done it now. I was almost not even going to use the guard that it came with. I feel like I'm having a Britney Spears moment at the moment. Maybe I should have worn my Britney t-shirt, that would have been a bit more right. Do you know what? These beard trimmers are doing pretty well. Shout out to Wal. You're making some good trimmers, I guess. My head is so pale underneath. You know. I ain't gone too high, have I? I don't know. I mean, I'm not that bothered. I wear a hat most of the time anyway. If you've watched all my previous videos, you'll notice I'm wearing a hat in literally every one of those. I guess what I'm going for is like mate, I could do a mullet or something. I don't know, like a Native American mohawk style kind of. I'm gonna have to just grow just a mustache. and then just shave the rest. See how that comes. Hey! Get off my lawn! Get out of my yard! Yeah, I mean, we're getting there, I guess. Fold that ear down. Hopefully that might be a bit easier doing the left hand side. Oh, I've got hair down me. Bit more quick detail on there. Hopefully my hair won't fall out doing this. I don't really know how I'm going to get round to the back, if I'm honest with you. Woo! How the fuck do you use clippers anyway? Alright. I tell you what, this is nice. I've been out in the sun all day at work and my head has been well hot, even just doing the sides. What I'm worried about is the bits I ain't going to be able to see. I haven't even thought about how I'm going to do the back yet. I suppose I should probably start working out. Where do I even leave that? Moving on this side. You can see I have a bit of an issue. I do this when I'm working on my car. Like if I'm doing body work, I'll start on one side, then start over randomly move the other side and keep switching in between. So you know, I can't just do one thing. I mean, to be fair, so far it's not that bad. It kind of looks quite even. Okay, spoke too soon. Right, let's try and focus on the back. I think what I'm gonna do is, I reckon if I wear a hat, I'll get it in line. Ooh, if you like these, check out the link in the description below at optiondrift.com. Then I reckon if I just up to there like that, I'll just pull that down more so it's tighter. Then we'll just start attacking the back like this, I guess. Whoa! Ooh! Right, so I think I've got the back kind of all right. I don't f***ing know. What's that? Is that a lot? Long bit of hair. I mean, I don't know. That ain't too bad. I guess. I think it don't look too bad. It could look bloody terrible. What I think I might do is not treading all that hair. Have a go at lining the sides up. So, I'll get that. Just dig, dig, dig and scrape. Let's get some more of that on there so you can see what the fuck is going on. Because the sides are all dry, so I think I'll do that. I mean, I don't really often actually have my hair slicked back. I'm having it more like that, I guess. So I should. I think the main issue is how long it is on top. Do it down the sideways like that. How about that for a look? Where are the clippers? There they are. I tell you what, Emma, you need to invest in some beard trimmers, all these wool ones, because these have not overheated at all. They're not hot. So don't blame my hair. Get better. I mean, if I do that, right, it's almost like I've got a fringe at the back of my head. Now, I don't actually often look at the back of my head, so I know actually how it is usually cut. See, that's what it usually looks like. Or, fucking hell. Maybe that should really be faded. But I can't do a fade, so I'm not going to do a fade. Maybe I'm going to get rid of shit on my neck, though. That's for sure. Oh my god. What are you saying? Right? I'm a peaky blinder. I'm a peaky blinder. F***ing. Go fuck yourself. I'll knock you out. F***ing shave me hair, then knock you out. You're toxic, love, getting on love. The taste of your lips, I know. I mean, I don't like having a muck fucking hairy neck. So I don't know, maybe I need to take the ends off and go... Oh, here we go. What do you know about getting your hair cut? I can actually see a little bit better in this mirror, so I'm just gonna... I realise I keep talking with the clippers on. So hopefully when I go back and edit this, I and you can actually hear what I'm saying over these. Fuck me. Do you know what I think I'm going to do? I think I'm going to wash my hair and dry it and come back and see what it looks like, because that's the only real way of telling. So, bear with me. Cool, so I've just... My eyes are up here. So, I've just washed my hair, dried it a bit, and to be fair, I don't think it's too bad, okay? Yeah. So, naturally, I have really curly hair. So if I want this, you know, sharp, slick look, I'm going to need to put some shit in it. Now, all my other waxes are currently down the unit, right, where we detail cars. But what I've got here is some Maguire's Mirror Glaze. What I use this for is the release wax in, like, my fiberglass moulds I make. So yeah, we're just going to use some of that. Just get a nice amount of it. Enough friction, it starts to warm up, like that. I don't know whether that's going to be enough. But yeah, wax in your hands, get it there, run it through your hands. You know, composure. I think it would work better with an actual hard wax. Or if you want that proper water resistant thing, you might want to try some ceramic coating on it. But yeah. So, if you enjoyed the video, make sure you give it a like. Also, do subscribe because I make other videos. I don't know. Go watch some. Maybe if you subscribe, you'll be able to see some of my newer videos that I'll put up. But yeah, I've been Ben Standen, and this has been the Lockdown Haircut Car Guy Edition. See you later.